Another important topic today I'm going to share with you when it comes to green card lottery application, winning, interviews, and coming to America is for people who are single parents. Let me start with this one. Being a single parent is hard. That means you are doing two roles at the same time. You are a father and you are a mother. It's not easy at all. For that particular case, life as a single parent here in the United States is even harder than the life of a single parent in your country where you are from, especially if you are coming from any developing country. Why is that so? The culture we have in our countries where we are from is a communal in nature. Meaning, yes, you want to be a single parent, you want to be a single mother or a single father, but your mother, your sisters, your neighbors, your aunt, your uncle can help to raise that child, can be able to stay with them in a holiday, can be able to take the child to school, all this kind of help you can be able to have. In addition to that, because based on our economy, it is easier to have a nanny or maid or houseboy, house girl, whatever you call that. They can be able to help with work at home and help with that child to prepare in the morning, to take it to school, take it from the school bus, all those kind of things. They'll be able to help. I know it is still hard, but there are a certain system, a communal structure plus economy allows you to have a certain support. Life in America as a single parent is not easy at all because it is in individual lifestyle. It's not like a communal. It's on your own at larger part. You wake up in the morning, you have to figure out how are you going to take the child to school? When are you going to pick up the child? Not everybody can pick up your child. So there are those kind of things you have to find. If I'm at work, whatever, who will stay with my child? A child under the age of 13 cannot stay at home alone. So there are certain restrictions you need to know. So it becomes very hard, and you cannot have, majority of you will not be able to afford the maid, or we call daycare. It's very expensive. You cannot have a maid or nanny at home because you pay a lot, about $2,000 possibly. You take someone to the daycare, it can be maybe 1,500, 1,800. It's expensive also. So that is not easy at all. So there is that part of harder in that aspect to make sure that you come here and try to find resources which are available. Try to find people who can be able to be trusted to help you and you can help them. So sometimes you can stay with your children and they can tell your child. So all those kind of things will be able to help. You need to find a way to find most of the jobs also to work from home. Those jobs will be able to help you with the parenting. Especially the good thing about the pandemic is to help you with working from home. There are so many opportunities of that nature. But the other aspect of single parent is during the visa interview and coming to America. Not everybody has a good relationship between the father and the mother despite being a single parent. Some, they have toxic relationship. They cannot stand each other. So it can be difficult sometimes for you to be able to come to America with the child. So there are some of the procedures you need to make sure that you avoid any unnecessary conflict. Number one, on the visa time, they might not ask this question that, okay, you are going with your child, it's okay, they give you the visa. But when you are arriving in America, sometimes you never know. The person is at the port of entry. The Customs and Border Protection officer might ask you, this is your son, is your daughter, your son is 6 years old. Does the other parent okay for you to come with this person to stay in America? Show us the proof. So it is, if it's possible, try to talk to the other parent and make sure that you have a letter saying is allowing you to come with a child to America. That means to avoid unnecessary problem. You might decide to just come with the person might not know, but if the person is going to the court, if has a custody also, to say that someone stole my child and took it to America, it becomes the case of kidnapping. And that is a serious charge. So don't go to that way. Find a way, first of all, to put it, unless otherwise the person is completely out of the picture. But if the person is in the picture, find a way, bring elders, go to the lawyer, try to talk and to find a way for the betterment of the child, also to have the opportunity to come along with you in America. So I'm talking about the legal part, but also the way on how you can try to to overcome the challenges as a single parent here in the United States. So now you know those are some of the challenges, but the ways to go across being a single parent and if you have become the DV lottery winner.